Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to optimize your ClickFunnels page for maximum conversions in 2025. So whether you're running a sales funnel, a lead funnel, or a webinar funnel, these tips will help you earn and convert more clicks from your paying customers. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to open up your browser. So open up your browser and simply log on to ClickFunnels. This is the website of interest for today's tutorial, and the first thing you're going to be working on for your ClickFunnels is your headline. So let's go ahead and open up a funnel. You might have to create a sales funnel or a funnel yourself, but seeing as I already have some funnels, let's just go ahead and click on funnels here. Seeing as I already have some funnels of mine already, all I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on a funnel and simply open it up. All right, so once you've opened up a funnel, go ahead and select the page you'd like to work on. Now, the most important thing for your page is the headline, which is the first thing people see that make it benefit driven. So instead of having buy my course, use something like learn how to triple your sales in 30 days, as that attracts people more. So instead of send money to anyone anywhere, you can simply rebrand it to money anywhere anyone. As simple as that. Now, you can also add a subheading that would build trust and urgency, and make sure your offer is clear, whether it's a free guide, a discount, or an irresistible value. So make sure in the subtitles you're telling the truth about what you offer. Now, another thing you should do is, or the next step would be to simplify your funnel design. So make sure you keep your pages clean. I would suggest you make use of templates when you're running a page or when you're trying to get a funnel done. Use a template instead uh, to make sure you keep your pages clean. Avoid clutter, and too many links or distractions would actually spoil the user experience. And then try to add in friendly animations like this that give them a sense of understanding and warmth when they actually visit your website. And also limit each page to the certain goal. If it's a lead page, then make sure you're actually collecting sales, you're actually making sales off of your lead page. If you're going to be having a sign up page, it should be a sign up page. There should be nothing more than a sign up option. Another thing is to add social proof and trust signals. So try to insert testimonies. You could do this by simply finding the page editor like this here. All you need to do is, instead of having something like this, you could edit this into a testimony by simply clicking on the add element option. So go ahead and click on add element, and you should be able to add a text box. So you could add a text box or a text area, and you can use that to share a testimonial, reviews, or case studies on your sales page. And also show your logo of trusted brands. So try to make sure a lot of trusted brands are involved with your project. Try to get as many brand logos as you can, and make sure you have certification to back up these claims as well. And also add a secure payment badge on the checkout page. So with your checkout page could be after your sign up page. It can be here. With your checkout page, make sure you have a secure badge on checkout, as this reduces the buyer hesitation and builds up credibility. Now, another thing you need to check out is optimize the checkout process. So use a one-step checkout if possible, and offer many payment options like Stripe, PayPal, and crypto. Try to get yourself a crypto account and simply engage your crypto account in a text box when you're setting up your payment options. And also add order bumps or one-click upsells for higher revenue. An example of this would be selling a course. Add a $19 workbook upsell on the checkout. Now, another thing you can do is to use the A/B testing. So in ClickFunnels, you can duplicate pages and test variations of these pages. So like this is a page now. All you need to do is simply duplicate this page, and you can simply test it out somewhere else. You could easily duplicate your page on ClickFunnels and test the variations themselves. And also you could test headlines, CTA buttons or colors, or even pricing. That can also be done. You could also use this button up here at the top for your layouts. You could set up a layout, how you want to view it. You could also change some of the images, adjust most of these things as layouts would go. And heading back to the home page, once you're on the home page, in the stats menu, you could simply use this to check out your analytics and to see which version of your conversions, to see which version of your convert works better. And also keep the winner and keep on testing. Now, another thing you could try, which is on a personal level, would be a follow-up email. So you could try follow-up emails. Just email your users or your customers or clients who click and make use of your funnels. You could simply message them and follow up like an active campaign. Send reminder emails, an abandoned cart email or bonus offer. So you could try to get your customers back and in line, and use retargeting ads like Facebook or Google to bring back visitors who didn't buy. And last but not least, analyze and improve. So head over to ClickFunnel Analytics. That's when you get set up. Check your conversion rates at each funnel step, and then identify your drop-off point, whether it's your landing page or your checkout, where you're lacking behind, and simply improve on it. Don't forget to adjust, copy, design, and provide offers based on the data. All right, guys. So that's a short way of optimizing your ClickFunnel conversions. Just make sure your website looks clean, your pages are good, and your funnels are easy to follow. If you're starting with the introduction, it should be an introduction page, then a sign up page, then the main page, and a checkout and a thank you page, all of which you can get when you simply um, add to your funnel. You can get this on the new funnel menu. You could just simply add the page to your existing number of pages, and you would have your funnel set up and ready. So this is what it will look like here. All you need to do is click on this plus and click on page and simply insert a new page. So at some certain points, you have to drag and drop a page. So you could just simply just drag and drop this create new page option here, and then you would be able to upsell or downsell, and then you can set up a thank you page or an opt-in page, and also an order confirmation page. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.